professional, solo parent, and hardworking mom. There is no doubt in my mind that you have probably seen the 20 something Filipina holding hands with a foreigner twice her age. Some people whisper, some people judge, others cheer her on. But behind the smiles and Instagram photos, there is a reality check. Age gap Filipinas are both winning and losing in this game with foreigners. In today's episode, we'll be diving into why. For many Filipinas, dating or marrying an older foreigner can be a game changer, and here is why. Number 1. Financial stability. The right man can provide security, a comfortable home, and opportunities she may not have otherwise. Number 2. Global lifestyle. Some get to travel abroad, live in safer neighborhoods, and access better healthcare and education for their children or future family. Number 3. Life experience and mentorship. An older partner may have wisdom, patience, and a calmer nature that makes the relationships feel stable and less dramatic. Number 4. Social elevation. In some communities, being with a foreigner is still seen as a status upgrade, whether that's fair or not. For the Filipina who understands herself, chooses wisely, and sets healthy boundaries, the age gap can actually be a winning ticket to a better life. Now, let's flip the coin. For every success story, there's a Filipina who loses big in an age gap relationship, and the reasons are: Number 1, power imbalance. If the partner controls all the money and decision making, she can feel trapped with no voice. Number 2, loneliness abroad. Moving overseas can mean isolation from family and friends, especially if she depends 100% on her partner for social life. Number 3, cultural classes. Age gap or not. Different cultures bring different values, and without understanding, these differences can destroy trust. Number 4. Replacement risk. The same older foreigner who prefers younger women might eventually trade her in for someone even younger. Yes, it happens. Number 5. Public judgment. Social media gossip, family criticism, and being labeled a gold digger can damage her self esteem. When the relationship ends badly, she may be left without money, without property, and without the time to rebuild. Why do we see such opposite outcomes? It's not the age gap that decides, it's the choices. Filipinas who win do not rely 100% on their partner financially. They build their own income streams. Set clear boundaries from the start. Learn the foreigner's culture but keep their own identity. Filipinas who lose. Hand over all control without safeguards. Enter the relationship with only short term goals. Ignore red flags because of financial promises. The age gap is simply a stage. The real drama or success comes from what each person does own it. The bottom line is that age gap relationships between Filipinas and foreigners are a gamble. Some win the jackpot, stability, love, and a better future. Others lose everything, and not just money, but dignity and trust. If you are in this game, play smart, because love might be ageless, but bad decisions age you faster than time itself. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.